Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is a DSE maths question and 3D question. And now, before the start of the presentation, I'm here try to show you all the questions. Okay. And before the presentation, I also announced something. If you want to ask me question, if you have the sources of this question, please tell me, and I will post on my has a footnote of the sources of this question. Okay. And now, let's go to the detail of this question. In the paper card ABCD in the shape of quadrilateral BC equal to CD, that is two sides equal ABCD, and angle ACD equal to 50 degrees. This is 50. Okay, I enlarge, and this is 70, and also this is 65, and this is 80 cm. Okay, then we have to find the length of CD. Okay, that is an easy job. And for CD, I first calculate this angle 45 degrees. Let me check. And minus 65, yes, 45, and then for the length for CD over sine 45 degree equal to 80 over sine 65, and then CD equal to 62.4, and actually and it is a decimal place, but I correct to 3 significant figure and store this question as A. Okay, for part B. And now the paper card ABC is flow along AC. These are flow along AC, and such that the distance between BD are this one, 40. Okay, I think it is better to draw the corresponding length for sine. This is 80. This is 62.4. This is also 62.4. 62.4. And also this is 40. Yeah, all are good. Yes, and we have to calculate that for this part BCD, this BCD. Okay, okay, I think it is trivial because the angle BCD is just by cosine law. And B cosine angle BCD equal to 62.4 square plus 62. Okay, it's not enough. Plus 62.4 square plus 62.4 square minus 40 degree over 2 times 62.4 square. Then angle BCD equal to, that's just by calculator, that's 37.4 degree. And I store this into has a D. Store. Okay. Yeah. Okay, next, a student claims that the angle between the plane ACD means this plane, and the plane ABCD, the ABCD is this, greater than 38 degrees. Okay, at first we have to know the angle between these two these two plane, and here I try to draw a perpendicular line as the common side is the common side of two plane is AC. Then I draw a perpendicular line from D to AC, which is equivalent to this one. And then also draw a perpendicular line from this one to the other side, and which actually equivalent to this. Okay, that is the side here. Then the angle, the request angle is this one. Okay. Then next step, I want to label the length of this point. This I call this E, this point, and I label this is F. Okay, that's F and E. Okay, step by step, I have to calculate the length, all the length. Okay, first I actually want to calculate this length, and this length. All this length are calculated. Then we can calculate the theta easily. Okay, first step, I calculate DE. DE, this one, is actually this one. Because this is 62.4, then DE equal to DE over 62.4 equal to sine 70. That is DE equal to 58.7 cm. I store this number into X, and then calculate EC. EC is equal to cosine 62.4 times cosine 70. This is equal to 21.3 cm. I store this Y. I just this 1 over this one equal to cosine. And then next step, I use this one to calculate the FC and EF. EF equal to 21.3 times tangent 50. That is 25.4. I store this is B. Then FC you can use the Pythagoras theorem on this one. Pythagoras theorem. And I skip that step here, and 33.2 cm. As I don't have answer of this question, so maybe I cannot sure that the answer is true or not. But anyway, I can sure that the method is very is okay. Okay, next step. Go back to that calculus to calculate the length of DE. Now you can see this angle we have. DE means DE 50x.7. EF is 25.4. Yes, so good. And here, this one, 62.4, and FC 33.2. Then that means DF equal to 33.2 square plus 62.4 square minus 2 times 33.2, 62.4, then cosine 37.4. Then we have DF equal to 4 Okay, you can see that I don't have actually enough space to store A, B, C, D, X, Y. All the store memory are used, and therefore the final DF I have to write down all the decimals. 41.28311,474. Okay, finally, I call this cosine. This 41. And you can see for this triangle, it is a PT triangle, very nice triangle. And then cosine theta equal to 58.7 square plus 25.4 square minus 41.3 square over 2 times 58.7, 25.4, and then finally I calculate the angle 39.8 degrees, which is actually greater than 38 degrees. Yes, that's true. Okay, I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr. K.Liu Math channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.